Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add hyperlinks to an existing PDF document. Let's get started. Here's the PDF I want to work with. Open up a web browser and type in PDF Escape. Click on the first link. It may take a moment. What you can do is upload the PDF. Click here. You can drag and drop it or click on Choose File. Your File Explorer will open up, and you can then select your PDF and click on Open. It will then begin the process. It shouldn't take too long, and there it is. To add a link, come over to the left and click on Insert, then click on Link like so. Then, click and drag on the page to insert the new link object. You can do this over an image or text. For example, here I'll click and drag over Subscribe like so. Then, you can choose if you want to link to a URL or a page. In this case, I'll select URL. Next, type in the link. In this case, I will paste my YouTube channel link here. Then click OK. After that, come over to the left and click on the Download button. Once you're finished, you can view the PDF right here. I'll double-click on it to open it up. Then, when I hover over the link we just made, I can right-click on it and select Open Link in New tab, or you can simply click on it. It will then take me to the URL, is my YouTube channel. That's how you can add hyperlinks to an existing PDF document. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.